Good morning student. ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਕਲਾਸ 11 ਲੈਸਨ ਨੰਬਰ 6 ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਮੇਨਟੇਨੈਂਸ ਪਾਰਟ ਦਾ ਅਭਿਆਸ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਹੋਏ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਮਲਟੀਪਲ ਚੋਇਸ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ। ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਸੌਫਟਵੇਅਰ that plays a supporting role for user and developers are called dash, and the options are operating system, utility program, protection tools, developer tools, and the right answer is software that plays a supporting role for user and developers are called utility program. Second one is dash picks up all the scattered pieces of data across our hard drive and puts them back together again to improve the performance of a computer system. And the options are fragmentation, disk cleanup, defragmentation, and the last one is none of these. And their right answer is defragmentation picks up all the scattered pieces of data across our hard drive and puts them back together again to improve the performance of a computer system. And third one is dash is a system software which acts as an interface between the user and the computer hardware. And the options are utility program, antivirus program, protection system, and the last one is operating system. And the right answer is operating system is a system software which acts as an interface between the user and the computer hardware. And the fourth question is, which of the following mode is a diagnostic mode of a computer operating system? And the options are developer mode, safe mode, operating mode, and the last one is diagnostic mode. And the right answer is safe mode is a diagnostic mode of a computer operating system. And the fifth one is, which of the following utility can be used to protect our system from malwares? And the options are compression tools, antivirus tool, disk maintenance tool, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is antivirus tool utility can be used to protect our system from malwares. And the sixth one is a dash include bug fixes and other small improvements, and the options are software update, software upgrade, disk management tool, and the last one is all of above. And the right answer is a software update includes bug fixes and other small improvements. And the seventh one is a dash is a security system that does not allow unauthorized access on our system while we are connected to a network. And the options are encryption, firewall, antivirus, and the last one is all of above. And the right answer is a firewall is a security system that does not allow unauthorized access on our system while we are connected to a network. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪਾਰਟ ਦੀ ਫੁੱਲ ਫਾਰਮਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ ਜੀ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੰਬਰ 1 ਹੈ ਜੀ PNP, and PNP stand for plug and play. Number 2 USB stand for universal serial bus. Third one is PCB stand for printed circuit board. Fourth one is DVI stand for digital video interface. Fifth one is OS stand for operating system. And sixth one is VGA stand for visual graphics adapter. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪਾਰਟ ਦੇ ਸ਼ਾਰਟ ਆਨਸਰ ਟਾਈਪ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ ਜੀ, what do you mean by computer maintenance? And the answer is the various activities of maintaining a computer system and its component are called computer maintenance. These activities help us to keep our computer system and its component in a good working condition for a long time. For maintenance, we need to take care of both the hardware and software component of the computer system. Hardware maintenance involves taking care of the physical component of the computer, such as the keyboard, mouse, etc., while the software maintenance involves the tasks that help the software to work smoothly. And second one is, write any 4 techniques to improve the performance of computer system. And the answer is, to improve the performance of the computer system, we should use the following tools and techniques. And the first one is disable unnecessary startup programs. Second one is delete temporary files. Third one is delete unnecessary files by running the disk cleanup tool. Fourth one is uninstall apps that we are no longer using. Fifth one is use disk fragmentation tool. And the third question is what is booting? And the answer is when we press the power button of the computer system, its operating system starts loading into the main memory. This process of starting the computer system is called booting. The booting process takes some time to complete. When the booting process complete, our computer system gets ready to work. And the fourth one is write the name of different types of ports available in the modern computers. And the answer is port is an interface through which we connect an external devices with the computer system. Different type of ports are available on the system unit to connect different type of devices. The name of some of the common ports are as follow. The first one is PS2 port, second one is USB port, third one is VGA port, fourth one is HDMI port, fifth one is DVI port, sixth one is Ethernet port. And the fifth question is how will you add new font in the computer system? And the answer is we can install fonts in the computer system using the following steps. The first one is download the new font from the internet. Open the folder in which we have downloaded the font. Right click on the font file and click on the install option that appears in the pop-up menu. And the sixth question is what are utility programs? And the answer is utility programs are the system software. These software programs help the operating system to organize, maintain, and optimize the functionality of a computer system. Some of the common tasks performed by utility software are virus detection and removal, data backup, file compression, disk management, disk cleanup, disk defragmentation, file management, etc. And the seventh question is what do you mean by device driver? And the answer is a device driver is a software that enables communication between a device and a computer system. Due to these device driver, we can use a device after connecting it with the computer. Whenever we connect any new device to the computer system, we try to install the driver for that device. The Windows operating system can automatically install the driver for some of the devices, but for some external devices, we need to install the drivers manually. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪਾਰਟ ਦੇ ਲੌਂਗ ਆਨਸਰ ਟਾਈਪ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਬਾਰੇ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ ਜੀ what is hardware maintenance? Explain some guidelines for maintaining hardware. And the answer is hardware maintenance refers to maintaining the physical component of a computer system such as keyboard, mouse, hard drive, etc. If we are taking good care of our PC, it will not crash and thus it prevent the loss of our data. So guidelines for maintaining hardware are the first one is remove dust and dirt from the hardware component using a blower such as brush or vacuum cleaner. Second one is computer should be covered after using it. And third one is keep cleaning the dirt from the mouse surface and always use a mouse pad. And fourth one is protect hardware component from liquids. Fifth one is protect the computer and its component from direct sunlight and heat sources, etc. Sixth one is the computer should be connected with a reliable stabilizer. Seventh one is the power cable should be of good quality. And second question is what are ports? Explain any two ports in detail. And the answer is port is an interface through which we connect external device with the computer system. Different type of ports are available on the system unit to connect devices with the computer system. Some of the common ports are as explained below. The first one is PS2 port. This port is used for older keyboard and mouse. The color code of the mouse port is green and the keyboard port is magenta. Color codes are used for identification. And second one is Universal Serial Bus port. This is a very popular and versatile type of port. It can connect all type of external USB devices like external hard disk, printer, scanner, mouse, keyboard, etc. This port was introduced in 1997. Most computers provide USB ports. And the third one is visual graphic adapter port. It is also called the monitor port. It is used to connect a CRT monitor with the computer. And the third question is, what do you mean by PC security? Explain any two technique to secure your PC. And the answer is PC security is also known as IT security. It is a protection system that protects data and information stored in a computer from misuse and theft. Computer security ensures that our system and data are protected from various threats such as viruses, hacking, and misuse. The following technique can be used to secure a PC. The first one is antivirus software. So computer virus is a malicious software that corrupts our data and other programs. Antivirus software searches for such viruses or malware from our system and eliminate them and keep our computer safe. Example of antivirus software are Norton, Avira Antivirus, etc. And the second one is firewall. This security system monitors and controls the data coming over the network based on security constraints. If any outsider or hacker on the network tries to access our computer in an unauthorized way, then he is immediately blocked. Example of these software are Windows Defender, Firewall. And the fourth question is differentiate, update and upgrade. And the answer is update and upgrade are two different ways of making changes to an application or operating system. The main difference between software update and software upgrade are as follows. The first one is a software update is a patch that include bug fixes and other minor improvement, whereas a software upgrade changes an old version to a new version. And second one is the software update. The original structure of the software is not affected after updating it, whereas after upgrading the software, its basic structure may get affected. And third one is a software update mostly include options related to fixing existing bugs or security patches, etc. Whereas software upgrade mostly involves significant changes to the graphical user interface and a variety of new features. Fourth one is the software update is small in size and take a few minutes to apply, whereas in software upgrade its size can be up to several gigabytes and it can take a long time to complete installation. Fifth one is software updates are often free and are essential to apply, whereas software upgrades are often expensive and not necessary to implement. Sixth one is software update examples are applying security patches to Windows 10 is called a software update, whereas software upgrade examples are upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 11 is called a software upgrade. ਸੋ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਮੀਦ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪਾਠ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ ਉੱਤਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਨੋਟਬੁੱਕ 'ਚ ਨੋਟ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।